Welcome back to my channel. This is imamontrealer. My name is Marlon Ireta. Thanks for joining in. In today's video, I'm showing you a short video I did while I was shooting some street photography, actually film photography, with two friends from Instagram. Frederick, which is a friend that I met last year through a group that we have created, and I'll put in his Instagram link in the description, and also Jonathan, who I met randomly while I was shooting that day. You'll see in the scene when I'm shooting this phone booth, he approaches me, or I think I approach him. But after the scene, we ended up talking to each other, and he ended up just tagging along with us, you know. So beautiful day, you know, shooting the streets, having fun, chit-chatting, and you'll see in the video, I will put some of the shots that they capture, and you know, I think, you know, the best part of this video that I will show you is that, you know, I like being friendly, I like being social, and it always happens every time I shoot film photography in Montreal. I always end up making a contact with someone, and that person becomes later, you know, a friend that I will meet again and again, you know. I think that's important. I mean, I think that's just the way I am, you know. I like being social, I like, you know, connecting with people, you know. So that's it for this video. And also I want to give a big shout out to a person who I like very much. She's a good friend of mine. She's watching the video, and she's a co-worker, and she gifted me a little present for my YouTube channel. She gave me a Yeti Pro microphone for the channel. You know, I've never used a microphone. I've been using the microphone of the GoPro, but let me know what you guys think about the sound. Does it sound good? I have no idea how it's gonna come out. I hope it will come out good. But yeah, merci Sandra pour ton petit cadeau. Je sais que tu es une fan de mon YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I really appreciate you know, thinking of me like this, because I know you like seeing the videos that I put on the YouTube channel, and you're my biggest fan, so merci Sandra. So with that being said, enjoy the video. Please leave a comment, let me know what you think about the shots, the video in general, and of course, you know, I will not end the video without sharing you and show you the camera that I use all the time, the Leica MP. Again, the very popular camera that people like, you know. Someone asked me about the patina, how long I've been shooting with the camera, why does it have so much patina, and to be honest with you, I have no idea. I think it's day by day, but beautiful camera, amazing tool. You'll see in the video, this camera gets wet, and you know, I don't want to say I don't care about it, but you know, I didn't buy this camera to leave it, you know, somewhere, you know, in a cabin, or, you know, I want to use it. I am using it. So when I got back home after shooting that day, I got a little bit freaked out, because it took like maybe like an hour and a half for the condensation to go away, and I was like, man, did I just mess up my camera? But it didn't. It's perfect, it's back, it's perfect, it's clean, it smells good. It's just a tool, guys. So enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is imamontrealer. My name is Marlon Ireta. It's a beautiful day. It's Saturday. I am meeting up with some friends from Instagram. We're gonna be shooting the streets of this beautiful city, the only city that I know that I live in, Montreal City. And as you can see, it's a beautiful day. People are enjoying the ice skating. So it's just the beginning of the photo walk. I don't want to say it's a photo walk, it's just, you know, get together, you know, chilling with the boys, you know, meeting up with the film community, and just enjoy life, you know. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll be shooting with the Leica MP and the Summicron 2.0 film choice,
It's HP5, so I'm gonna be pushing it to 800 because I like that speed. And what else, guys? Well, that's about it. So stay sharp, stay safe, enjoy life, guys. Thanks for watching.
And no precipitation. We're about a half-inch behind, correction, half-inch ahead for the year.
Montreal feels a bit like a ghost town today, but it's okay. I guess people are staying home, you know. But yeah, it's a beautiful day though. I'm enjoying myself.
The satellite photo was pretty interesting for the western half of the U.S. Rain showers and thunder showers along that frontal system, and that wide band of fairly heavy snow. Now what will happen each time that you see the frontal system on there, that begins at 6 o'clock in the morning, and then you'll see the cloud pattern move until 2 o'clock this afternoon. So as of that time, of course, the front was way off in the northwest. Now, however, moving into the central part of the nation with a couple of high pressure cells behind it.
I've seen this shot, I've seen this scene every day. Because Chinatown, don't get me wrong, everyone shoots Chinatown. You know, Chinatown is like the best place, or the easiest place to shoot street, I think. You know, people don't react to the camera. So yeah, Chinatown, it is what it is. It's a beautiful place, but I think it's you know, over captured by people. It's okay, I did it myself. I'm still doing it, so enjoy, guys. Yeah, it's snowing, guys. I just wanted to show you something. Typical shot capturing Chinatown. Iconic, I should say, because I've seen this shot so many times in the social media. So yeah, look at this one.
Barometric pressure 30.00 is rising. And no precipitation. We're about a half-inch behind, correction, half-inch ahead for the year, and 1 in 5,300 behind.
Guess what? I want to shoot it again. The journey continues. It's getting it hasn't changed. The snow is still there, but I had to stop several times to clean my camera because the snow was just, you know, I don't know if you can see, but it was getting pretty bad. So
as of that time, of course, the front was way off in the northwest. Now, however, it's moving into the central part of the nation with a couple of high pressure cells behind it. South and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 in Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over at Valley Good Forks.
the day just got even better. No more snow. It seems to be less colder. I love it, you know. So yeah, we're just exploring Montreal like always, you know. I like this shot. Let's see this shot.
And in the Park City Blackwood area, 68 degrees today. Winds southerly at about 15 gust to 25 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.00 and is rising. And no precipitation. We're about a half-inch behind. Correction, half-inch ahead for the year, and 1 in 5,300 behind for the year so far.
This is a shot you see typically in Montreal every day. No respect for Montreal City It's phone booths, guys. Check this out. I mean, look at that beauty. I'm so proud of being in Montreal. And it goes on and on and on. Still makes good art though.
So as of that time, of course, the front was way off to the northwest. Now, however, it's moving into the central part of the nation with a couple of high-pressure sections behind it.
I just met a friend shooting film. Son nom c'est Jonathan. His name is Jonathan. How you doing, man?
Good. How are you?
Hey, cheers, buddy. So what are you shooting today? What are you shooting?
I'm shooting with a Pentax P3.
Nice. Let me see this. Hold on one second.
I think.
Nice. And you're shooting what kind of film?
It's a 800 Portra expired film.
Classic Portra, guys. Buy your expired film, guys. Support the film industry. Eric, on va shooter un peu de film. Qu'est-ce que tu fais aujourd'hui, mon cher agent?
C'est 5000.
Oh, classe. C'est une Chica? Wow, ça c'est nouveau?
J'ai eu ça au début du bar.
Oh, c'est beau.
C'est HP5.
C'est shiny, man. Jonathan avec son Pentax. Nice, guys. Tu sais, un matin, j'étais tombé tout de Jonathan que je suis venu à Montréal. Il neigeait super fort, là, puis caméra pleine de neige, la tuque, puis comme, oh my god, tu sais.
Ouais, tantôt c'était.
Ah ouais, mais ça s'est quand même calmé, tu sais.
On est photographié, genre 4 fois.
Ah ouais, pour de vrai.
Je voulais skip dedans.
On set, on va aller voir ce qui se passe de bon aujourd'hui. Check it out. Pour de vrai? On n'a pas le droit? Mais c'est tellement beau. Ben non, mais non, c'est tellement beau là. Moi, j'ai un respect pour vous autres là.
Today, of course, there's nothing showing up on the radar. However, the satellite photo was pretty interesting for the western half of the U.S. Rain showers and thunder showers along that system, and that wide band of really heavy snow. Each time that you see the front on there, that begins at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then you'll see the cloud pattern move until 2 o'clock this afternoon. So as of that time, of course, the front was way off in the northwest. Now, however, it's moving into the central part of the nation with a couple of high pressure cells behind it.
South
and eastern. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Midland area.
Look at this, guys.
72 in Garden City. 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal. 72 by the good folks.
So the snow is back.
It's snowing.
Yeah, the snow is back. So once again, camera gear, not waterproof, but it's okay.
It's more than snowing.
It's more than snowing.
Welcome to Canada.
Welcome to Canada. Hiding the camera in the pocket. Is that a...
when the people is coming?
Yeah. I like that, I like that. Look at the snow, guys. Look at the snow. Look at this guy. Snow all over, man. My hood has snow. Oh, man. Yeah.
Winds southerly at about 15 with gusts of 25 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.00 and is rising. And no precipitation. We're about a half inch behind, correction, half inch ahead for the year, and 1 53/100 behind.
Hey, merci Jonathan pour cette rencontre. Alors, on se revoit, puis on start shooting film avec Fred. Je mettrai le lien sur le description de ton Instagram. Yeah, so it's all about meeting people, guys, being friendly, you know. Team shooters recognize team shooters, guys, huh? Alright, guys, thanks a lot.
See the cloud pattern move until 2 o'clock this afternoon. So as of that time, of course, the front was way off in the northwest. Now, however, it's moving into the central part of the nation with a couple of high-pressure cells behind it. A new front will begin to drift south and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to...
Guess what?
Today, however, very, very pleasant reading.
Merci Frédéric pour le photo walk, le shooting. So I'll see you next time.
Yes, man. And guess what? It's still snowing.
Yeah, I know. Look at this, guys. Oh my god.
Peace.
Oh.
Ponca City, Blackwell area, 68 degrees today.
This is it, guys. Thanks for joining in. Beautiful day with Frederic. We went out to shoot. Also with Jonathan that I met on the streets. I like meeting new people, you know. I'm a social person. I'm not afraid to, you know, to go out and talk to people. So yeah, thanks for joining in, guys. Again, this is Montreal.
Winds southerly at about 15
Enjoy.
gusts of 25 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.00 and is rising. And no precipitation. We're about a half inch behind, correction, a half inch ahead for the year, and 1 53/100 behind for the year so far. We'll be looking for a little bit of a change tomorrow, and of course the possibility of scattered showers. Today, of course, there's nothing showing up on the radar. Satellite photos of the U.S. Rain showers and thunder showers along that frontal system, and that wide band of fairly heavy snows. Now, what will happen each time that you see the frontal system on there? That begins at 6 o'clock in the morning, and then you'll see the cloud pattern move until 2 o'clock this afternoon. So as of that time, of course, the front was way off in the northwest. Now, however, it's moving into the central part of the nation with a couple of high-pressure cells behind it. South and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks of
It's time to develop the film. I shot the film at 800 ISO, so I need to develop for 10 minutes. So that's it, guys.
And in the Ponca City, Blackwell area, 68 degrees today.
Stay safe, guys.
Winds southerly at about 15 with gusts of 25 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.00 and is